I will show you how to do Temu plus Pinterest affiliate marketing and how people are making thousands of dollars per month using the strategy that I'll show you in this video. So Temu has one of the best affiliate programs, and here is how you can promote it on Pinterest. So first just go to Temu, and you can do this both on the app and on the desktop side. Now I'll show you how to do it on desktop. What you want to go and do on desktop is scroll all the way to the bottom, and then here under company info you will see affiliate and influencer earn commission. So click on that, and now here you will see this. So this is your affiliate dashboard. Now from here you can see you can refer users with your affiliate link or code, and for new app users you get €2 download reward, and then you get 5 to 20% commission on all orders placed within 30 days. So this €2 download reward is really cool and it's super easy, and the most important part here is that you have these links right here. So you also have the €100 coupon bundle, so if you click on it, new app users can click your link to receive a €100 coupon bundle after first downloading, or you can go into free gifts, so new app users have the opportunity to receive a free gift, 30% off, or an exclusive deal. Now for the strategy that we'll be using in this video, we're going to be using 30% off. So go and click on share now in the 30% off section right here. And then here you will have your link. So I'm just going to be copying this link right here for later. So then after doing that, what we're going to do next is here click on pick items. And this is really important. So in the pick items section right here, what I recommend to do is click on top sales so that you will find products that are being sold the most. And then here just find a product. Now you want to find a product that could actually be searched for on Pinterest, since that's how people are going to discover our pins, through the search bar. So let's just find a product here. So I found this product right here, which is a car scratch repair kit. So you can see it right here, it has this image. And this basically removes car scratches. Now you can see on Pinterest, if we search for car scratch, you will have car scratch repair and car scratch remover, as well as car scratch repair how to remove. So for example, I'm going to search for how to remove car scratches. So this is a very good keyword for us to rank on when we are going to promote this product. So now you will see there's already people that do this, that also add affiliate links. So our pin can be even better than these, because what we are going to do is take this video. Let's take a look at it. So yeah, this is a really good video. So what you can do is right click on it and then click save video as, and then just gonna save it to your device. So now open up Pinterest, then click on create in the top left after you sign in, and then here just choose the file. So make sure that it is a pretty good looking video or photo. Both works. I could also, for example, use this picture right here, or any of these other ones that look pretty good. I wouldn't use this because this doesn't really show what it does. But for example, this one could also do really good. So I could also create 2 pins and also one where I use this image. But for now, I'll just use this video and I'll edit the cover so that it looks really good. For example, I will pick this one and click done. So then you have the scratch and the cream that they put on it. Now for the title, what we're going to do is use the exact keyword that we just found. So it was how to remove car scratches, or for example, how to remove scratches from car. So I'm going to use this, how to remove car scratches. And then I'll add easy fix after it. However, you don't have to do it like this. You can also just enter, for example, what I've done here, a turntable organizer, a fruit rack for the kitchen, and I'll just open this up in a new tab to show you, because you can also just have a picture of a pin like this, so these both have the same product, and you will see that this is an affiliate link to eBay. So these people are also doing affiliate marketing for this fruit rack right here, and they are ranking #1 for this keyword. So it doesn't need to be a question like this, although this will do really good. Now for the description, what I recommend you to add is to take a look at the Temu description. So here you have the description. So I'll take this part, simply apply the scratch remover to the affected area and watch the scratches disappear. So I will add that into my pin description. And then the most important part is to say get it through the link in this pin, and we are going to add the link right here for only, and then the price of the product. So this one is €6.29. So that's what I'll add. And then what you want to do, and why we picked the 30% off deal, so add plus 30% off, and then like this. So get it through the link in this pin for only $6.29 plus 30% off. So now go back to this page where you have all the products, and I chose this one. So click on earn up to whatever it says right there. So in this case, €2.12. And then here you will see the item link. So copy this item link Now here you can actually see that new app users can get it for only 60 cents. So that's what I'll actually add in the pin. So add 60 cents right here, since that's a better deal than the 30% off. So then here add the link that we just copied. So it's really important that this link is the actual product link, because then people will actually purchase it. Then also if they scan this QR code to get in the Temu app, then you will get an extra €2 reward. And quite a lot of people actually do that. Now here for the board, you can add it to a board or just skip that. Then for the tag topics, I'll say car accessories, for example. Now you have more options, so allow people to comment and show similar products, so you can add that. Although at the bottom here I mentioned this is an affiliate pin, so Pinterest requires you to do this, so enter that at the bottom. So then click publish, and now what will happen is that this pin will rank on the Pinterest search results for the keyword that we entered here, so how to remove car scratches. So therefore it's really important that you add the exact keyword right here. Then they can click on the Temu link here, and then it will open up this Temu link. So now when people search for how to remove car scratches, you will see that there are already products and pins that are pretty much the same. For example, this video and a few other ones, and ours is definitely going to stand out here, since ours is probably better than most of these. So now we are going to definitely rank for this keyword over time. It won't happen instantly, but you just want to follow this exact process a bunch of times, and then a bunch of your pins are going to rank. You can make a lot of commissions through Temu and get a lot of people to download the app, and this is what some people are doing to make thousands per month. So I definitely recommend trying this out. So now you know how to do Temu plus Pinterest affiliate marketing. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.